Hello everyone, and welcome on this control access tutorial. The aim of this video is to explain how you can add a user, how you can control the access of this user as well. So first, let's deep dive into how to add actually or invite a user to your Smily account. So to do so, you first need to go to settings and then you go to user, and from here you click on invite a new user. Here you have the possibility to add their name and their email. Also their role. So just to keep in mind that within Smily you have 4 different roles. So 3 of them are displayed here. The first role is the owner. So the owner of the Smily account can have full access of the Smily features, including the way to manage the billing with us. So meaning update the billing, update the credit card, all those settings. The admin has exactly the same access but cannot manage the Smily subscription. That's the main difference. The member is slightly different because they have access to all the Smily feature, except that they cannot create a new rental and they can not add or install an app on the App Center. So that's the main difference. You will see now that with the member, you can control the access, for example, on finance, on the apps, and on other tabs, which I will show you just right after, and also control which listings they would like to see. And for the cleaner, it's basically a read-only mode where they can read only specific tabs on your Smiley account, which is the dashboard, the calendars, the tasks, and also the reservation, with the reservations including limited information such as the check-in, the checkout, the number of adults, the number of children, and also the comments that you might leave to the cleaning team. So that's basically the different roles. So that's the first step, is to determine the role that you would give to this new user. So here we're going to go with the example of the member and the language in which you want to send them the invitation. They will receive an email with the invitation asking them to create their password, and their login will be their email. Click on invite a new user and this will send out the invitation automatically. Here on this dashboard, you will be able to see the new user that you added, but also the existing users on your Smily account. Now, if you would like to manage the access control of this user, so to control their access, you will be able to go here again to the settings and then on the third tab, which is the user access. So here you will see your users with their role, and you will be able to control for the members which features they will be able to access. So basically here for the apps section, members can by default access the app section, the discount section, and the finance section. This is something that you maybe want to disable. So here you can untick, as it is here, they will not have access to those sections. If you'd like to grant them access, you can simply just click to activate and then update the settings. It can be just 2, just 1, all of them, or none, basically. Here you also have the possibility to say actually which rentals you would like to give them access to. So for example, here, if I click on Jane on this pen, I will be able to open the settings and here change the role if necessary. And here decide which rentals you would like to grant them access to. The other ones will not be displayed for them. So if they connect to the Smiley account, they will only see the rentals that you give them access to. So here you can decide whether you would like to do it per rental. So say, okay, well, this one, and they have access to this one. So just do a simple selection. It can also work per tag, basically. So if you say, okay, I would like to give only access to rentals that has the sea view, you can just select the sea view, and only the listings with this tag will be displayed for this member. Also for the location. So if you decide, okay, I want only listings in St. George to be visible for this member, you can do that, and the rest will no longer be visible and appear for them. And then of course click on change save, save. And then here the accessible rentals will be changed and updated for the member or the cleaners, because it's both for members and cleaners. I hope this video helps. If you still have remaining questions, there is our manual that really does the step-by-step guide as well. And of course, if you need help or if you have any doubts with your setup, please refer to your account manager or to our support team, who will be delighted to help you do the setup and assist you with this. Thanks a lot for watching.